Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of A Regular Kitchen. It's Mirko and Dema and we are about to go to Italy today and Naples especially, and we are gonna do a frittata di macarona, which if you wanna translate is omelette made of pasta. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, is a speciality in Naples. It's amazing, it's very easy, and Demante is gonna do it. She never done it before.
I haven't actually, yeah.
So guys, if you just have some leftover pasta from the night before and a few eggs, we will show you how to make this amazing dish. And I think we can start! Let's go. Do we need is a pan. Cool. So guys, let's start straight away. Olive oil in the pan, turn the pan on, let the olive oil heat up.
On the high heat as well?
No, it doesn't have to be a high heat, guys. It needs to be on the bigger heat, but not the highest one, just like low. Because you want to make sure that the eggs cooks evenly, gets a little bit crispy. Meanwhile, the olive oil warms up and starts to loosen up in the pan. Dema's gonna crack 5 eggs. Drop the pasta in the pan so it starts to warm up. You want to make sure that the pasta covers the whole area of the pan. Area of the pan. And then salt and pepper into the eggs. Season them, guys, season. Also, yeah, the game today is to see how she's going to flip. You can grate some parmesan inside the eggs, or in this case, come on. Any of the cheese will work, but you want to try to keep it on something that will melt. So we're going to drop in this camorza inside the eggs, and then we're going to drop in the eggs in here. And try to cover the whole area. So, meanwhile we wait how this one cooks. What do we do?
A little dance.
So guys, keep on checking it, you know, randomly, whenever you feel like, because we are Neapolitans, we just like, you know, do things as they come. Proud Neapolitan. No?
I don't even know what this means.
Just kiss it.
No.
Just give it a kiss. Alright guys, so the eggs are properly cooked at the bottom and on the top as well, making them a lot easier to flip. So now Dema is gonna find a way to flip it.
I would just leave it like that.
No, you need to flip it. You need to flip it because you flip it, you put olive oil again, and then you put the other side at the
I
bottom.
saw you flipping it with the plate.
With the plate is like extremely hard.
What do you mean extremely hard?
So just a touch of olive oil, guys. Spread the olive oil around, and then you drop the frittata again inside. Make sure you don't break it. Brilliant, amazing. So while it stays like this, guys, it doesn't need to be covered because obviously the top bit is already cooked.
It should be very fast, no? Like
Yeah, it's gonna be extremely quick because the top bit was cooking while you left the lid on. So it would make it easier, you know, to flip it. Flip and switch and flip. And that's it. And we're gonna grab a board. Keep on lifting it if you need to check how is it cooking at the bottom. You wanna make sure that the bottom bit is gonna have the same brown color.
è frittata.
A frittata di macaroni. Or some people call it pizza di pasta because it looks like a pizza.
You people are just...
I do not agree with it because obviously there is eggs, so it's frittata because frittata is omelette. And yeah, these people just don't listen to them. They are not real Neapolitan, guys. Now put it in a nice board. Ooh la la! Are you gonna be able to? Oi!
There you go. It's nice.
Very good.
Very nice and sexy.
Ooh, brilliant! Wow. It looks really nice, no, doesn't it? So, what do I suggest for you guys is to slice it in 4.
Like a pizza?
Like a... Do not call it pizza. You slice it in 4. Slice it in 4. Thank you. And it's ready. Simple, quick, elegant, I'd like to say. And you know, it's very good to have it for lunch, especially if you're going out and you just want to have something to nibble when you're out, or if you just want to have...
To the park, you can take it to the park.
Exactly. No? And I suppose that's it for today. You know,
nice.
just a quick video for you guys, just to show you how we Neapolitan people do things.
Jesus.
No? What do you think? And we salute you, and we will see you soon. You know, subscribe and all the things that you like to do with our videos. And we will see you soon!
E ciao.
E ciao.
E ciao.
E ciao.